Hello guys, we are back for another video. Make sure you guys are enabling your notifications so you are notified whenever we upload. And also if you guys are enjoying the content, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. And as always, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And we are back for another video with the Tea with Key. So let's just jump right in, guys. Yesterday I pretty much did a video talking about Gunplay and his wife Vonshae, who in my book is appearing to be very thirsty and looking for a lot of attention. Well, I got some news to report, guys, with regards to the situation. If you guys don't know, there was a situation where the police were called to the home of Gunplay and Vonshae, and Vonshae made some allegations with regards to the safety of her and her daughter. Well, this information now is coming out that Gunplay has lost custody of the daughter he has with his wife, Vonshae Taylor Morales. And it looks like, yeah, the court has made a ruling that he just has lost custody. So he has no custody of his daughter, which is very different. I don't know how the laws are in LA, but losing custody of your daughter is generally, you have to do something substantial. So this was really shocking, that you have a father that's losing custody of his daughter, basically because of something that happened between the mother. Well, let's get into it, guys. So, according to TMZ, the courts made the final decision after Gunplay failed to appear in court regarding a temporary restraining order Vonshae currently has against him. So again, this is a action that was initiated by Vonshae. So it's interesting to learn that Gunplay has pretty much lost custody of his daughter. So it looks like Gunplay was charged with assault and child abuse. Vonshae basically talks about the incident with regards to what initially happened. If you guys recall, Gunplay was arrested and charged with assault with a deadly weapon, false imprisonment, and child abuse, is what the charges were. So let's just back it back some. If you all recall, Love and Hip Hop star Miami, Love and Hip Hop Miami star detailed some problems online, and of course, this was Vonshae. She's always online with regards to what has happened. So what apparently, Vonshae is saying that he at some point put a pow pow at her while she was holding her daughter. I'm not sure what happened with that particular incident. I can't confirm or deny that this has actually happened. But what did happen is they had a court appearance that somehow, Gunplay did not show up for, and they had ruled in her favor. Again, this is very, odd for him to just lose custody in one hearing and they not allow him time to show up. And I feel very bad, that another black man is losing the right to see his child. So these are some very, very serious allegations. Again, there was information, that Vonshae had reported with regards to the gun situation. So they are saying he is facing multiple charges, including, the assault with a deadly weapon, obviously, child abuse. If this is proven in court, at the time that he actually did these things, which is again very interesting that you have already taken this man's rights away and he hasn't even been convicted. So Yeah, that is, and this is a statement that Vonshae released. She said, I was given custody of our daughter. Medical examiner saw my daughter over the weeks to document her strangulation process. It was concluded that there was no major bodily harm, but it was documented that it happened. Gunplay did miss 3 hearings for my permanent restraining order for us. I requested a restraining order for Osana until she's 18 when she's legally an adult. So I'm a little bit confused. Where she says I was given custody of our daughter's medical examiner saw my daughter over the weeks to document her strangulation process. I guess I'm very confused. So it seems like, is she alluding to something was done to the daughter? If so, I must have missed that part because I don't see it anywhere else other than what she's saying, which is very interesting. But hey, this is what they're saying. Vonshae also said that the rappers only co-parenting option is through the court's monitored application, and it's called Talking Parents. Now, through this platform, Gunplay will be able to see his daughter via some kind of recorded video, phone calls, and messages, but it is some kind of video type of contact, which we all know that's not really contact. You get to see your child over some type of surveillance sort of mechanism. So, what they're saying is he can have virtual visitation with his daughter. Again, I don't know about the strangulation of the daughter. This is a little sad because I don't know anything about this, but this is what Vonshae is reporting. Okay, yeah, this is really, really interesting, guys. So I don't know what else to say about this. I again had not saw any other information with regards to anything, but with regards to any type of abuse to the child. So I'm a little bit reluctant to even talk about that because it's a serious, it's serious, and I don't want to, say someone is doing something when I don't know. This is what she's saying. Now it looks like, Vonshae is going to the court because she is looking for child support. Okay, so she wants him to definitely be able to pay child support. It looks like as of now, he is responsible for her medical, education, and child care. Looks to be his court obligation with regards to the baby. So again, I don't want to really talk about the allegations with regards to the child stuff because I have no knowledge of that. Again, I know it was reported in the news with regards to Vonshae and him pointing the pow pow at her while she was holding the baby. All of the strangulation stuff, I have no idea, but this is what she is reporting. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? Again, as I've stated before, I think Vonshae is very thirsty and definitely looking for a lot of attention from the media. With regards to her son's father, she's putting a lot of information out in the media that her daughter will someday be able to read. So I don't understand why she's doing these things. Again, if it is, fact that he had did some things in regards to, putting the child in danger, obviously those things need to be looked into. But again, I don't know anything about that. Just giving you guys an update. And let me know what y'all think in the comments with regards to Vonshae and Gunplay and these accusations. And most importantly, we have a man that has totally lost custody of his child. And that's very sad to hear. I don't know why he didn't show up for the court hearing. You guys know, in the Black community, sometimes people are just afraid to even go to court thinking they're going to be arrested. So I don't know. Again, just providing you guys the update. Let me know what y'all think in the comments, and let's talk about this in the comments. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.